In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move messages in Slack. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to take a message from one place in Slack and share it into another channel so the right people can see it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. In the results, click the official Slack website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your workspace. Once you're in, you'll be looking at your Slack sidebar with your channels and direct messages on the left. Next, open the channel that contains the message you want to move. This could be any channel you're a member of. Give the channel a moment to load its recent conversation so everything is visible. If the message is older, you can scroll or use the channel search to locate it quickly. Now, find the exact message you want to move. Hover your mouse over that message to reveal the Action toolbar. You'll see several icons appear. Look for the forward or share icon, which typically looks like a curved arrow. Click that icon. This opens a small window that lets you choose where to send the message. A quick note for clarity. In Slack, you're forwarding a copy of the message to another place. The original message will remain where it is, which is helpful for preserving context in both locations. In the Share window, choose the channel where you want to move this message. You can scroll the list or use the search box to find the destination channel faster. Make sure you select the correct channel, and remember that you'll only see private channels you're already a member of. If it's a public channel, you can usually find it by name. If the Share window offers an optional text field, consider adding a short note to explain why you're forwarding the message, so teammates immediately understand the context. When you're ready, click Forward to send it. You should get a quick confirmation, and the forwarded message will appear in the destination channel with a link back to the original. That's it. Your message is now visible to the right audience without disrupting the original conversation. To recap, you went to Slack, opened the relevant channel, hovered over the message, clicked the forward icon, picked a destination channel, and confirmed by clicking Forward. Use this whenever you need to surface important information across teams while keeping discussions organized.